Hey guys, it's Eric Green. I wanted to just address some of the comments that we've gotten about the July 18th, how to write off everything that, for entrepreneurs and freelancers and stuff. Some of you have made comments like, this is a scam or this is bullshit. Let me explain something to you. I am a recovering accountant. I've been a tax lawyer for 25 years. The focus is civil and criminal taxpayer representation. I am going to actually explain to you how to do this legitimately and, most important, how to document it in the event you're audited. I thought I'd just give you a little preview. So, how do you write off a vacation? It's pretty simple because you can't write off a vacation. Make sure it's not a vacation. Why do you think so many seminars are held in really cool places? Right? Places people want to go. They can use it as a write-off. Like, for instance, my wife and I love spending time in Miami. Well, I have clients in Miami. And if I don't have clients in Miami, I'm going to find some. I'm going to find some other business colleague that I could have a meeting or two with. Right? My Law CLE, I do a lot of teaching for, is in Miami. So we'll go to Miami for the week. I'm going to have meetings. I'm going to have a meeting on Monday. I might record a little something for an hour on Wednesday and another meeting on Thursday or Friday. And I have a business reason to be there. My airfare is deductible. The hotel room is deductible. 50% of my meals are deductible. Now I have to pay for my wife's portion. That's clearly personal unless she has some business meetings that she could deduct in her business. But the point is, there's a way to do this and a way to document it. I'm on the July 18th. I'm going to walk you through all of the opportunities you have when they would apply and mostly how you go about doing this properly so you don't pay for it later. All right. So I'll see you on July 18th. You're going to get our workbook. You'll get the checklist. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to save a ton of money this year. All right. We're going to educate you on what to do and how to handle an audit like a pro. See you on the 18th.